From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So the new Universal Audio Sphere DLX looks like a great deal for voiceover, even though you get a limited selection of the core Sphere microphones. But you do get the 47, you do get 287s, and the TLM 103. But unfortunately, you don't get the whole collection like you do with the big brother, the DLX. You don't get all 38 of the core Sphere mics, including the Bronner VM1. Now, if you're bummed out that you're not getting the Bronner, and right now you're listening to the Bronner and the TLM 103 blended together, which I think sounds great. So if you're bummed out you're not getting the Bronner or all these other microphones, I just found out something that allegedly will get you the whole collection on the LX. Now, I was looking at the Universal Audio Forum, and so I was asking because I wasn't sure if the LX would also be able to use the Ocean Way and Putnam plug-in collections, the future or any future mic collections that come out, right? Are they limiting the LX to just those 20 core microphones? And it turns out the answer is no. You can absolutely buy the expansion packs and use them with your LX, but here's where it gets better. This is the kicker. And when you do that, you get the rest of the Sphere core mics, okay? Now, this was a thumbs up over here by Universal Audio. So I'm going to take that as a confirmation that when you buy the LX and you get the 20 core mics, right, the limited collection, you're stuck with that until you buy an expansion pack, right? So buy the Putnam or buy the Ocean Way. And once you buy those, you get access to the entire core mic collection. So you're not just getting like the mics that are in Ocean Way or Putnam. You're also getting the other 18 core Sphere mics, including the Bronner VM1. So this makes it a really great deal. Now, I know the expansion packs usually go for like $249 when they're not on sale, but wait for them to go on sale. If you can wait for them to go on sale. Because otherwise, right, even if you had to spend $249 on it, right, you buy the Sphere DLX for $999, you buy an expansion pack for $249, and for $1249, you still get the entire collection. And apparently the only difference in the LX, the only difference is the physical body is a little bit smaller. The capsule's the same from what I hear. The internal circuitry is slightly different. And there's a couple of dB extra self-noise, but we're only talking about like it's a 10 instead of like 8, right? So what you want to do here is you want to really look at the LX as an option. In case you don't need to do stereo recording, if you like the smaller form factor, because yeah, you can get all the Sphere core mics on the LX. It's that simple. All right, I want to know what you think. Are you looking at the LX? Let me know in the comments. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.